Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad exponential equation problem. So here we have 3 to the power of x into 4 to the power of x into 5 to the power of x equals to 3600, and we solve this problem for the values of x. Okay, so here you see that in the left hand side we have 3 exponential functions whose multiplied by each other, and we solve this for the values of x. So here I can give you some quick tricks in which you easily get the value of x. So here first we need to use the nice exponential law. You know that if we have a to the power of m into b to the power of m, here you see that if you have bases are different but its exponents are same, then you combine the exponents of these two terms and we write it as a times of b and its exponent is m. Okay, so here we use this rule to solve the above exponential equation for the value of x. So now here you see that these are 3 exponential function and 3 of these are bases are different, so that we combine the exponent of all of these 3 terms. So we write it as 3 times of 4 times of 5 and its whole exponent is x, and this is equals to 3600. Okay, so now here in the next step we need to multiply these numbers, so that when you multiply 3 times of 4 we get here 12, and 12 times of 5 becomes here 60, and its exponent is x equals to 3600. Okay, so further we need to simplify the terms, and now here we write first 3600 into the prime factor form, so that now first we find the prime factors of 3600. So that here we first find the prime factors of 3600, and its prime factors are, we find this by division method. So here first we divide it by 2 and you get here 2 ones are 2 and we carry 1, 2 8s are 16 and these 2 zeros, and again we divide it by 2 and you get 2 9s are 18 and 0 0, and here we get again divide it by 2 and you get here 2 4s are 8, we carry 1, 2 5s are 10 and 0, and here we again divide it by 2 and you get 2 times of 2 4, 2 times of 2 4, and we carry 1 and 2 5s are 10. Okay, so further we cannot divide it by 2, so that here we need to divide it by 3, so we write it as 3 7s are 21 and we carry 1, and 3 5s are 15. If we again divide it by 3 and you get 3 2s are 6, we carry 1, 3 5s are 15, and 5 5s are 25, and this is 5 1s are 5. Okay, so we write here 3600 is equals to, here you see that we have these are 4 2's are multiplied by each other, so we write it as in this way: 2 times of 2 times of 2 times of 2 multiplied by, here we have 2 3's, 3 times of 3 and 5 times of 5. So here we need to multiply all of these numbers. If we divide this in this way, if we combine these 2 and 1 3 and 1 5, we write it as 2 times of 2 4, 4 3s are 12, and 12 times of 5 becomes 60, multiplied by, here again you have these 2 and this 1 and this 5, so 2 times of 2 is 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, so we write again here 60. Okay, it means that we write over 3600 equals to 60 square. Okay, this is 3600 becomes 60 square, and now we replace this 3600 on this number, and after replacing this 3600 equals to 60 square over this equation, now we call this is equation number 1. So our equation number 1 will becomes here. So now we write it as equation number 1 is implies that 60 to the power of x equals to 3600. So we write 3600 as 60 square. So in the left hand side we have 60 to the power of x. So now you see here The bases on both of these terms are same, so we compare its exponents. So its exponents are x is equals to 2. So here clearly you get the value of x becomes here 2. And this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.